Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to reboot the frozen Samsung Galaxy S10. So let's do it. So if your phone doesn't respond to any commands and you want to restart your phone, to do this is very easy. Just push and hold together the volume down button and the power button for a few seconds like this. Keep pushing. And now, as you can see, my phone will restart. Just wait for a few seconds. And now everything is okay and my screen is working. So as you can see, it is very easy. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you and see you to the next. Have a nice day.